Agricultural, we make our cash from crops and wool. Our farms got pigs and cows and bulls. We all drink cider as a rule. And yes, of course we do. Got taught about farming back in school. We now own half of Cornwall, which we all think is pretty cool. Got 600 prize Welsh sheep. Harvest corn and harvest wheat. Got big hands and got big feet.